There was an interesting incident in our happy garden yesterday. A very precious strawberry got lost from a piece of cake. We decided to investigate this incident with my friend and my sister, famous Detective Neşe, with whom we've solved many cases. The strange incident started with Sister Zuzu when she decided to bring that cake to us. The black clouds and the rain that day were trying to tell us what was about to happen.
Dear Mutlu, the weather is perfect. Can you tell the story correctly?
Yeah, sure. Actually, there was no rain. It was a sunny day. The weather was so hot. It was so hot that it was really hard to walk. Sister Zuzu got so thirsty, and the nearest water well was...
Mutlu!
Sister Zuzu! Okay, all right. It was a normal day. Everyone loved the cake. My famous sister decided to eat her slice of cake later. It was a wrong decision. The cake was so delicious and the strawberry on it was so precious. The butler of the house was watching them as the table was tidied.
I want to show you the book I've been reading now.
Aren't you gonna eat your cake? Mom made it. It's so delicious.
The strawberry on it looks so pretty as well, but I'll eat it later. Come, let's go to my room now. I think I forgot the book in the garden, Zuzu.
Is there a lost book?
Oh.
And it's in the garden? This is just the task for me. I'll bring it to you, sis.
Zuzu, you read the book now. I forgot to eat the cake. Uh-oh, the strawberry on it is gone. Somebody took the pretty strawberry off my cake, but who exactly?
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.